It's like it goes to stall out and then kicks back in. Great.
Never mind that. Feel the rough idle.
Yeah. And they can't get this to duplicate. Huh.
It's got a dull knock to it too.
There you go. Not a dull knock. That was a loud knock from that side of the truck.
And that's a stall.